Hello there, and welcome to Tensorflow Deep Learning Solutions for Data. I'm CTO of GLG, the world's largest one-to-one professional learning membership, and I've been working with artificial intelligence and machine learning in nearly all the applications that I've built over my 20-year career, and in particular was an early adopter of Tensorflow and Keras to build machine learning models into the work that we do. In the course, we're going to be focusing on working with table data, looking at CSV, but this also applies to SQL-type data, which is likely to be the most common that you encounter at work. Working with this table data, we'll look at how to build machine learning models and REST services that can classify it. And then we'll take a step further and look at generating our own data, which is a useful technique for testing when you need a lot of synthetic data in order to fill in a database. We'll start off by working with table data, downloading it, acquiring it, and encoding it so that we can use it with machine learning. Then move to building a table classification model and modeling, where we'll be able to actually make predictions and classifications on table data. Then we'll package all of this up in a table classification REST service that we'll be able to use from the command line as well as from the web in order to classify. We'll move then to text sequence generation, building new strings, names, and sentences from pre-existing text data, generating synthetic data. And then the thing that everyone wants to know with machine learning is how to make a fortune. In this case, making a clone of the classic Unix command line program, Fortune. We're going to be working a lot in IPython notebooks, iterating through code and evaluating the code, as well as running models live. And there's going to be an awful lot of coding and code review. We'll go in great detail through the code that it requires to make the REST service, command line programs, and machine learning models in order to deal with tabular data. In order to get the most out of this video, we'll assume that you have some experience with the command line shell, as well as Python scripting or some general purpose application development. At the end of the course, you should be able to build machine learning environments, understand how to prepare data for machine learning, serve neural network models via REST, working on tabular data, and then generate new text of your own design with machine learning,